Exceptional. Very convenient location as it's near the streetcar stop and shops. Room is quite spacious for a Japanese hotel. Breakfast is delicious. Exceptional. Everything is perfect. Awesome location. Clean, comfortable and close to everything. It was a pleasant stay. The place is very clean. The staff are helpful. Easy to get taxi. Pleasant, quiet, clean and excellent location and service. Good size of room. Very good breakfast with lots of choices. We spent 3 agreeable nights. Great value for money, good breakfast too. Reliable hotel. So far this is the best hotel we stayed in Japan, Hiroshima. The staffs were very helpful, especially in locating our booked bus stop. The buffet breakfast, the best breakfast we ever had. Even fruits, mango, apple and blueberries, to mix with yogurt. Veggies for breakfast, broccoli, coleslaw. Fruits and veggies here anywhere are very rare, but here was available with the breakfast. Would recommend this hotel to my friends coming to Hiroshima. Good location, stayed for 2 nights. Good access to pretty much everything from sightseeing spots, restaurants and public transportation. Good walking distance to most places within the district. Exceptional, too. Corto Espaçoso, Duha Compañera, Confortable check-in e check-out, automatizado. Café de mañana completo típico japonés adaptado americano. Espaçoso, Duha Compañera, Confortable check-in e check-out, automatizado. Café de mañana completo típico japonés adaptado americano com granolas etc. CL. Accessible by Hiroshima Streetcar No. 1. It's worth seeking out this hotel, as it offers value for money, comfortable rooms and great facilities. The staff are exceptional. Note, it is handy for the Peace Memorial Park. Great location. Great location to get around. Streetcar almost directly in front of the building. The free breakfast is the only letdown. Not a great breakfast when I would rather get sandwiches from 7-Eleven instead. Welcome drink is lemonade, which to me is a step above water. Staff are very friendly. Would stay again but just breakfast out.